their lowest levels since last October, and inventory is rising. Plus, there's a 95% chance that the Fed will cut rates on September 17th. Will it be a half a point? I don't know. In this market, timing is everything, and I'm going to show you my list and lock program and how your buyers can get rates in the mid fives right now, just like the builders do it. Let's dive into this week's report. Hi, I'm Mike Wise with CMG Home Loans, and let's dive into what's gone on this week. It's going to be real quick today, but let me start out with my list and lock program. So I've got this program available. It's generally for the sellers, right? So if you have listings that are just sitting on the market, you're going to lower the price, do this instead. We've got up here basically what happens is your seller decides how much in seller concessions that they want to give. Instead of dropping the price $50,000, we give $30,000 worth of seller concessions, and this is how we can get these lower rates. So this one, it is basically a 3% in seller concessions on this particular property here. You get a 5.75 interest rate, 30-year fixed. It's a permanent buy down. And we give you a sign writer, we give you listing images, we give you open house flyers, we give you videos, we give you social media content, we give you everything. And really, it only costs you $49 if you do not want to lock it in. So just getting the marketing material itself for $49 is it's a deal to get all that information and then to market a rate that is almost a point less than current rates right now. That gets you a lot more buyers in this property. So that's the list and lock program for you. Wanted to talk about the Fed watch. We talked about at the beginning, there is a 92% chance that the Fed is going to lower the Fed funds rate in the September meeting. 95% chance that they're going to lower it down by 0.25%, a quarter of a point. In October, at the end of October, there's a 55% chance that they're going to do another quarter to go from 4 to down to the 3.75 levels. And then again in December, there's a 43% chance that they're going to go down to 3.5%. This is good news for mortgage rates. Once you start to see the Fed lower the Fed funds rate, you will see some lower mortgage rates out there. So that's good news. Right now, we're sitting at the lowest rates since October of 2024, 6.56%. They trended up a little bit today, but right now, like 6.56, 6.6%. That's 30-year fixed rate mortgage on a Fannie Freddie deal. So that is good news, but at the end of the day, what you're looking at here is mortgage rates slip to the lowest levels of 2025. You can see kind of where they're at right in here, 6.6%. And this is October of last year. So we're starting to see, will it continue to go down? I think it will. I think we're in good shape for going down. Today's market, as far as the yield, this is kind of where we're sitting, is the 4.28%. We're kind of right in between. We keep on hitting this 4.3 level on the yield on the 10-year 10-year treasury, and we get down to the 420 and we bounce off of that and go right back up to the 430. So we're right in this trading range right now. We hope to see this break through and get down into the low fours. Treasury Secretary Bessent, he wants it down to the 390 level. So I think that we may get there, but we're not quite there yet. So just wanted to give you this weekly update. If you have any questions whatsoever, please give me a call, shoot me a text. I will be available over the weekend, and we'll see you next week.